We make udang saus padang with any ingredients we have in the fridge. Blend grated chili, garlic, onion, ginger. Spread some oil. Stir fry onion. Add the blended ingredients. Mix well. Lime leaf. Mix well. Add water, lots of water. Oyster sauce, ketchup manis or sweet soy sauce, coconut sugar, mushroom seasoning, chili sauce, tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Mix well, simmer. Add tomato juice. Mix well. Add frozen corn, supposed to be corn chunks, but that's what we have. Strain. Mix cornstarch with water. Green onion, let it simmer. And udang saus padang is ready. Yummy!